Good morning, everyone. It's Tom. I think I'm gonna change. I'm trying to decide what I'm gonna change my name to. Second I get on the mic, I need to burp. Do a little blur check, a microphone blur check, microphone. Good morning, everyone. It's Tom, aka Nostra Thomas. I am the bommus. I'm gonna be a little bit more professional. I'm trying to be more professional. Start working on the channel again. Maybe it's just a whim for the morning. You're new to the channel, welcome. Is if this your first time, I haven't changed my thumbnail in weeks, nay, maybe months. I think I changed it once. I might start changing again at the same time. Who the hell cares, right? I kind of like the idea of not changing the thumbnail. Anyway, I am a pro options and stock and crypto expert. I'm not gonna lie. I know my stuff pretty good. Been trading for a long time. I'm an option seller, not an option buyer. If you're following anyone on YouTube, that's telling you you can get rich quick on buying options, uh, I would ask that you would look at the first few words of that sentence. Get rich quick. How many great get rich quick uh, things work in life? Well, let me tell you, from experience, buying options is a great way to get 10 toes down destroyed. Oh, Meet Kevin. I love shitting on Meet Kevin. But anyway, Meet Kevin thought he figured the market out when he. I've been there, right? I've been there. So I'm going to buy a bunch of options. It's more efficient and blah, blah, blah. I'm like, bro, you're going to get freaking destroyed. And of course he did. We're about. Oh, a lot of big news today, I think. I've already given away some of the big news. I might. Some of it involves Twitter. Some interest. We're about 5 minutes away, 4 minutes away from the market open. We're gonna get a little ding 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 action. Um, some Twitter news I think is pretty exciting. I'm gonna start focusing on Twitter again. You can follow me there at Nostra Thomas. At let's see if I can pull this off. At November Oscar. Oh, what's V? November Oscar Veronica. That ain't right. November Oscar Volvo. November Oscar Victory. No. November Oscar Vagina. No. November Oscar. Why can't I remember V? All right. So maybe we'll come back to that. So November Oscar. We're just gonna go with vagina for now. November Oscar Vagina Echo. Wait. Now I'm not even spelling my at. What am I doing? I started doing November. All right, at Nostradamus. November, Oscar, Sam, Tango, Romeo, Alpha, Mango, that ain't right. March, that ain't right. What is M? November, Oscar, Sam, Tango, Romeo. Is it Alpha? Is that right? Alpha? Meat Moo? What is M? Alpha Sam. Yeah, whatever. At Nostradamus. I used to have that down pretty good. I'm brain farting on M and what was that? V? I don't know. All right, that's a weird thing. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, one thing I will tell you, I get sidetracked easily. I have OCD problems. Sometimes it's hard to rein it back in. And especially, I like to be interactive with the chat, so feel free to ask anything you want. I'm an expert on just about anything in life. I'm not an expert in clogged toilets. Talking about my clogged toilet yesterday, man, that thing is still sitting at the same water level. No one gave me the idea though yesterday. None of the geniuses in the chat were like, "Hey Tom, you should get a snake." Last night I was thinking like I was Googling 2 days ago how to get rid of a clogged toilet when a plunger don't work, and someone said use a wire hanger, and I'm like, man, I stopped using wire hangers 10 years ago. So I started to order some wire hangers, and I'm like, what's wrong with me, dude? Order a snake. So I ordered a snake. That bad boy should be in today. If that bad boy don't work, I'm gonna have to call a plumber, I guess. And probably should have just called the plumber from the get go, but sometimes I'm hard headed. I mean, a plumber's what? Probably gonna cost like 200-300 bucks. Ricky in the house. How you doing, brother? Unless it's like worst. Knowing me, it's gonna be a worst case scenario. It's like the whole thing's plugged up, and they're gonna have to redo all my pipes, and it's gonna cost like 10 grand, 20 grand. Like, I might as well just move out of my house and light it on fire at a certain point. V for Victor. M for oh, Mary's right. Is V Victor? You know what? We're almost at the opening bell. I don't Victor. Yeah, it is Victor. Ah, I got for some reason I had victory in my head, but Victor is correct. Thank you. Victor and Mary. How could I forget those? It's too early in the morning. That's how. All right, I'm like not wanting to miss the ding ding ding. I'm getting ready to open Hasty Works. We're gonna take a look at the markets. I think today the Fed raises interest rates. That's why the market hasn't done shit. Ding 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 ding, a ding a ding ding, ding 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 ding, ding 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 ding. If you're wondering how I did that with my lips moving at first and then it continued and my lips weren't moving, I have a button, guys. Ding 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 ding, ding 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 ding. I'm a ventriloquist. I have this button. I have a button. What do I say to someone that has a button?
Oh, good for you. And how was it? I hope it was fucking good because it's useless now, isn't it?
That always puts a smile on my face. Never get tired of hearing that. All right, we're getting ready to pop on over to the desktop. Pro options trader. Get ready to make some moves. I think there was some earnings yesterday. Oh, Meta. I heard Meta was up. Meta popped on news that the FCC wants to ban TikTok in the United States. I think we should definitely be banning TikTok. And I'm not even joking. TikTok needs to be banned. That is, China is just gathering so much data on us. You know, I was watching, I need to finish it because it's 3 hours long, but I was watching a Lex Friedman podcast with this bro from the CIA. If you're not watching Lex Friedman, man, you are sleeping on some life alpha. That dude is a G. He's a great interviewer. The return of the fuzzies, I see. Alrighty, let's see what's going on in the market. I have no idea. This is my first time looking at the markets this morning, I believe. I might have looked this. Oh, I take it back. I did look pre-market. It was flat. Do you watch Friedman? Oh yeah, yeah, I did. I actually thought Kanye was like off his rocker crazy before I watched that. I'm like, after I watched that podcast, I'm like, you know what? This isn't a misguided, but a pretty intelligent dude. And he doesn't seem crazy at all. And he was actually a little bit anti-Semitic, but um it was obvious to see that the media was making a lot more out of that situation than I think was true about him being like crazy and mental breakdowns and so maybe he had a mental breakdown and recovered. I don't know. But I went it like I've always liked Kanye's music and early Kanye. I'm like, yeah, this dude's dope. But then he started doing I started hearing news outlets about um wait, what was I saying? Kanye started to do I don't it, just the way he would some of the stuff he would say, but is that what the media say he was saying? I don't know. But he did seem a little ridiculous with the whole Trump thing, and he does seem a little bit, I don't know, right? But after listening to him, like, yeah, this doesn't seem like he's definitely a very creative person when it comes to music and even fashion. He has some Nike shoes that I think are pretty dope. And I mean, I looked at these shoes and I'm like, man, these are dope. I want, and they're completely different than what you would think a shoe might look like. I'm like, I kind of want to buy these. I'm like, oh, those are yays. Let's see. I don't remember which one they were though. It was some weird look. Oh, these right here. Oh, they're Adidas Yeezy Foam. Are these Kanye's? These are like interesting to me. I kind of want to, they're expensive as shit though, but I wonder how comfortable they are. I mean, don't get me wrong, they look kind of weird. Yeah, my bad. Is he with Team Adidas? He needs to get on Team Puma. Let's see what you need. Let's see what. I don't think there's any sound. Oh yeah, there is just some music. What? Just some chick showing off her feet? Does she think she's styling? The hell is she in her bathroom? What's going on? Like the title literally said, "Oh, I don't know how I feel about it. Not for looks. Why buy them if you hate them?" Very cheaply made. Yeah, they look like they could fall apart. So maybe they're shitty shoes. Not great. Jonathan in the house. Hell yeah. How you doing, brother? Can you check out a crypto? Maybe could be a gym, bro. Whenever people come in, this usually doesn't end well because I'm pretty jaded right now, and cryptos that I'm interested in, and I don't want to hear it. I don't want to see it. But we'll take a look. Maybe we can get surprised here. We'll take a look at this real quick for my boy Jonathan. Then we'll get over to the stock market, and maybe we can get back to crypto. Cardano's below 40 cents, so it looks like crypto's going down a bit. All right, Chaitin, Chation. How do you say it? They are like Gala. Interesting. Completely objective view, but I always go in hyper critical. No result found. Cathion. You spelled it wrong, I think. Yeah, Cathion. Yeah, that makes a lot more sense. I don't know why, but it sounds like a real name. Sounds like some shit in old Roman times, the Parthenon or something. Cathion Gaming. All right, so it's interesting that it's a gaming play. So this could I will put this in a potentially hidden gem. Highly like potential. We're in potential category. Oh, it's on Polygon. I like that. Website looks like they put some effort into it. They got the token contract on there. I love that. Let's see. Cathion Toke Swap, trade on Quick Swap, trade on Mexi, trade on Gate. Read more token swap. All right, read more about Cation. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, like I was ready to come in and shit on this, and I still may, but I love a lot of the stuff they're putting on their website. Most places like hide or don't tell you or make it hard to find or all right. Symbol, Cation, chain. Look at all the information. Like you would not believe how many tokens I'd go look at. I don't even know what chain they're on. Ecosystem. All right. So token distribution, treasury and marketing, 3%. That's kind of low. Soul Chicks, pre-sale, and IDO. 20% went to pre-sale. 38% to rewards. 20% to the team. 15% to the development. Exchange liquidity. I'd like to see more money in marketing, maybe. These tokenomics aren't bad so far. Uh, 50% of Cation will vest over a 12-month period from the day of swap. The remaining 50% will be immediately available. How long has this been out? Any currently unvested chicks. Is that a symbol? Chicks? Oh no, that's a whole different coin. All right, so now it's starting to go off the rails a little bit. We want to ensure that the price are sustainable. While you can try to purchase on the DEX post-launch to avoid vesting, however, our general experience is that our substantial price decreases. Note that Chicks tokens are not vested right now. What are Chicks tokens? Where's I can't remember her name anymore. She stopped coming by. Who was that chick that used to come by? Anyone remember her name? I know she didn't like the word chicks. What was it? Cuckoo? Was that her name? Cuckoo? Remember when that chick Cuckoo used to come by? It's a game chick. Yeah, but there's chick tokens, there's ecosystem. Games. Let's take a look at their games. These games look dumb as shit. This could be Star. This looks a little veteran team with 20 million lifetime revenues. That ain't shit. 100 million lifetime. I mean, these games look like they have more potential than what mostly dumb shit Gala Games has. I would, man, I'm not hating it. Play Spider. Oh, this looks a little bit improved since the last time I've been here. This doesn't look like the kind of game I'd want to play, but that doesn't mean there isn't a huge market for it. New games. Let's see. This website's looking a little bit better. Well, I mean, they make this look kind of cool, but the game's shitty. I think Cuckoo was heavily invested in Townstar. Ooh, Battlestar Galactica. I love that show. The game will probably suck. Walking Dead. That looks interesting. Survival. I love a good survival game. So far it has promise. I mean, I wouldn't go hard on it. Huge. This is massive risk. Massive risk. A limited edition NFT for meh for the roadmap. The Q1 2023. Where are we? Oh, okay. We're in Q4 2022. Cathion ecosystem launch. Did that happen? Soul Chick, Saga beta release, DGA platform, and SDK V1. Cathion, launch of War of Gamma, launch of Cathion, launch. You know what? Launch of Neo Tokyo Conception. Is this the what's his face? Adam Pecker and Elio Traits? Isn't that in Neo Tokyo Conception by X Square Enix team? Did they Neo Tokyo, or is that a totally different thing? Neo Tokyo Conception, or is that just Neo Tokyo? Oh, there's actually a game on Steam. $30 into the future. I don't know what this is. Do they talk about it? Our games. Neo Tokyo Conception. X Square Enix team with 150 years of experience, 2.5 million total users. That's a nice base. That's interesting. Undisclosed trading. You know what? I'm really liking this. MMO voxel based veteran team with 20 million. I don't know. If some of these games are fun to play, that's what's really going to probably be very important the next round. The people, let's see how docs they are. We have extensive global team. No. Oh, here we go. Top management, Goldman Sachs, Meta, Google. I mean, what does this really mean? I mean, these are some big freaking names. Bank of America, Merrill Lynch, Binance, Yahoo. What does this mean? Does this mean top people on their team used to work there? And they have combined world-class game industry veterans from StarCraft, CS:GO, Diablo, PUBG. Oh wow, they are 100% docs. I freaking love it. Well, that looks like an avatar. Lewis Grafton, investment professional at Capital Credit. William Wu, co-CEO. Who's the other CEO? Senior business and never heard of it. MBA at Wharton. That's a pretty big school, isn't it? Vice president of Oak Tree Capital Management. Not familiar with it. Gabriel, over 10 years at an investment fund. Investment banking, BBA. All right, what's going on here? Assistant Vice President of Equity Finance, Blockchain Lead, MSI Computer Science and Management, First Class Honors. Senior Vice President. Oh, they have LinkedIn profiles too. I don't want to click on that though. Founder of Tilt, over 15 years of experience. Web Dev, 5 years of experience as the head of an IT solution and media. Like, this looks like a decently strong team, I guess. I don't know why this guy, Gabriel, and this guy, who's the other CEO, co-CEO? I don't see another. Like, there's this. Who's the other CEO? Bit of a red flag. Advisory board. Um, I don't recognize any names here. At least we didn't see something like Alex Becker. Community 120. What does that mean? White papers. Long form. White paper. What is a doc send? Where's poor Retro at? He loves it when we do a deep dive. Poor Sap. Casca. Who's Casca? That doesn't sound familiar at all. The only thing I can remember is Cuckoo. Our vision is to revolutionize the way we play, live, and learn. Is disrupting the. Yep. Let's see. Play to earn. Yeah, we'll see how that plays out. I think there is going to be a huge opportunity with play to earn, free to play to earn, play to win, like a combination of that. All right. Traditional gaming. All right. Here's one of these war slides. It might be full of shit. Traditional gaming, limited to in-game, non-transactable, and at risk of TNC. What is TNC? NFTs introduced. They're just using all the buzzwords. Assets freely, out of the ecosystem. All right. Assets freely transferable out of the ecosystem. To what? Like to your wallet? Or otherwise, what's it matter if the game dies? What does this asset in this game mean? It doesn't mean jack shit. Assets fully controlled by the player. I mean, that's cool. Monetary time spent monetized by leasing or selling in-game assets. Yeah, I definitely think there's some formulas to still figure out there that can work. None to the casual gamer. That is not true. A casual gamer, for example, a couple eyes are going to roll, but on Rush, you can buy skins. And a lot of games, you can buy and sell skins. You can gamble them. Those websites drive me nuts. But these skins some of them become worth hundreds and thousands of dollars. World of Warcraft, you could sell items on there. I don't know what they do now, but you used to just go to eBay. You'd go to eBay and find the sword of someone. Remember that Big Bang Theory episode? And you can buy and sell gold for money. I'm sure that's still a thing. You can buy and sell on any game out there. Blockchain makes it both easier and harder. Like, it's not easy for someone to hop into blockchain gaming. There is a lot to learn. The barrier to entry, the learning curve is on extreme difficulty. Oh, I got to buy crypto, right? What do I get? I got to set up a wallet. I got to add RPCs. I got to send it. I got to hope I don't lose it. What? There's bridges? Are you kidding me? What if I need it back? What if I need my money back? Oh, the bridge, like, man, this shit's a minefield right now. And that is a huge barrier to entry on gaming. So there's not the pool of people playing blockchain games is much smaller than the people playing shit like I don't know, what are those popular MOBAs? Rain farting hard. But yeah, Fortnite, that's not a MOBA, but I'm talking about the one where you just click around and people say it's really hard. Whatever. You know what? That pool, a lot of people can. Excuse me. A lot of people can install free games or pay $20, $30, $40 for a game, quickly install on their computer, and they're playing, right? For me to buy skins in Rust, I just simply need PayPal. There's probably other ways to do it, but PayPal makes it super easy. I can buy a skin and then I can sell a skin in the community marketplace or several various other websites. All right, enough about that. I don't hate what I see, Jonathan. Even if it goes to 1 cent, that's a big gain. All right, let's look at the tokenomics. Okay, first of all, for it to go to 1 cent, let's have a reality check. Total supply is 10 billion. So 1 penny, yeah, that's doable. That's easily doable. 10 billion. 1 penny would be 1 billion, right? No, or 100 million? Hey, Google, is it divide or time? What? Hey, Google, what is 10 billion times 0.01? It's 100 it's 100 million, I think. All right. No. You got to be friendly to Google because when it retro in the house, look, dude, I thought you'd be all happy. We're deep diving on. Actually, Jonathan brought some alpha. I'm not gonna lie. You're gonna have to go back and watch the stream. I'm not going over this shit. But we found a. Um, Jonathan brought some heat this morning. All right. So what is 10? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. I'm pretty sure this is 100 million, right? Times 0.01. 100 million. DeFi Kingdom's got to a 1 billion market cap. I'm not gonna lie. I might throw some. I'm probably gonna throw a small amount. Let's do how much does 100,000 of these cost? 1, 2, 3, 4. You could buy 100,000 of these for $400. That's a lot of money. I initially thinking that might be more, but like 200, I might buy $200 worth of this shit. It's down 12%. I'm gonna watch it. This shit's probably hard to buy. Oh, you could probably buy it pretty easily over. Oh yeah, you can buy it over on QuickSwap. Do I have any money on Matic? We might have to bring back just another Matic Monday. None of you nerds will get that. Just another Matic Monday. All right, I don't see any money in that wallet. We're on the Ledger wallet though. We need to. Oh, there's some Matic. There's some Matic in this account. How much? That's like $4. Let's go to QuickSwap. I need to. Do I have anything else? How do I? Oh, we can go to Aave. Aave. See, I told you I'm very professional. God damn retro. Yeah, it's gaming. This is like you came in late to probably one of the best streams. Yeah, we're aping. You came in late to one of the best streams I've done in a while. I haven't even looked. I spent 5 seconds on the stock market. Jonathan got me. This is all you have to do, bro. Come in with a interesting play, and I won't talk about the stock market. My title's literally pro options trader. Make some moves. I haven't done shit. All right. Let's go, but let's just quick look at the stock market. Quick 5 minutes or less. I promise. I promise. And I'm doing that somewhat just to irritate retro. I'm kidding, but it has to be done. It has to be done. Excuse me. Nasdaq's down 38. I'm pretty sure the Fed hike is today, right? Bro, you always start with like an hour of stock market talk. Then you were. uh, bro, you don't want to miss a second of these tasty freaking. You can always go back and watch it. All right, so we're gonna make this quick. Like there ain't shit going on over here. We're just gonna check in. Nasdaq's down 45, bleeding a little bit. Again, I think the Fed rate hikes today. I'm looking forward to seeing how that plays out. I think the market expects 0.75, 75 bips. Crude oil, $88 flat, basically. E-mini S&P SPOOs down 20. Gold up 6. Bitcoin basically flat. There were a couple of earnings plays I kind of wanted to look at. Oh, did Meta do earnings? No, Meta had earnings. Like I said, Meta. I heard this morning Meta was popping and Snap was popping because the FCC wants to ban Snap. Looks like Meta's down to me. That's all right. We're above our strike. Real quick. We're gonna wrap this up. Mara, Meta, Palantir, looking good. Oh, PayPal is starting to struggle a little. I knew what we were getting into holding on to these positions going into the Fed today. It's going to be probably a little bit of shake and bake later. I wish I could kind of live stream later, but I got a lot of shit going on. In fact, I have to take care of a critical network down, and that might be starting in like the next minute, 15 minutes. So let's hurry up and get off this. The dude's en route. He said he'd be there by like 7, which is 1 minute away. Done. All right, I want to see if I have any money. I have a little bit of ETH worth 58 cents. I can move some money over here. It's been a long time since I've done this. How do you send money to Matic? I completely forgot. Bro, I never did the stock markets. We had to do that real quick. Where does this white shit come from, man? And it's not where you think. Oh, might be where you think. All right. So we took a look at this coin. I kind of want to I'm gonna take some risks on it. I'm talking like maybe dollar cost average into this over some time. You know, like $50 here, $50 there, $20 here. How do you send money to Matic? Just in there a bridge? Polygon, wait, Polygon bridge. I hate bridges, man. I hate them. I don't want to get involved on chains, but Polygon has Polygon might be dead right now if the hacker didn't give the money back. Polygon got taken for like $700 million. Some DGen friend buying CAS on my end. POW layer 1. Proof of work. Why do they like that over? What is CAS? Proof of work, which implementing the Ghost DAG protocol does not orphan blocks, rather allows them to coexist. And what? That's all right. Cathion. What is this? What just happened? Oh, Caspa? Is this Cas? All right, now, man, I've got a rejuvenation for crypto right now. Let's look at what is this symbol? Cathion? Let's see if it's in trading view. Probably not. Cathion Gaming. Oh, on Gate.io. It's on a kind of legit exchange. It's only been out for 3 days. Where's add to watch list? Paste, add alert, trade, add, yep. All right, we're gonna move this up. I'm gonna move it up above LCX because LCX, I do this in order of garbage. Some people do think the bottom is in. I'll tell you, I'm the first to tell you I don't know. but it is closer to the bottom than it is the top. So I'm okay with some. I'm nibbling. I'm nibbling here and there. I'm not aping. I mean, this is semi aping, but I'm aping with a nibble. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna eat what words? Oh, LCX is garbage. Maybe, bro. As long I want you to make tens of millions of dollars on LCX. I just don't want you to leave. Like you can come in and act like you're gonna drop the mic and leave, but as long as you come back, I'm cool. You know what I'm saying? I I I have no idea if LCX is garbage or not. I mean, I don't even know if you believe if it's garbage or not. You just think it's in play and you're gonna get some momentum on it. I would say, why not be a little bit safer and buy Cardano that is much less riskier, even according to your list. Did I bookmark that shift? Man, how does my desk get? All right, I'm gonna have to get a cleaning service. What are some to-do items? I need a cleaning service. How much does that shit cost? Anyone have a cleaning service? How often do they come in? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I saved that link. Hopefully, yeah. Cool. Cool. Like potential 5x, great chart, low risk. Why not go for something like that? Right? Like this is one of the he also let's see. Dogecoin. Yeah, I kind of agree with this just because the idiots will FOMO back into this at least one more time. Chainlink, I agree. V chain, I agree. Decentralized, great low. Sandbox, great low. I didn't even notice that the last time. I own both. Maybe I should be buying a little bit of that. I mean, that's a lot safer play than Cation. I like the potential of Cation. I legit kind of want to get 100,000. 100,000 Cation right now would cost you, I'm pretty sure, $400. So $400 if it goes to a penny, that'd be this thing legit could go to 10 cents. This is a one. What kind of X is that? That's a lot of X's. uh, that's a lot of X's. Let's see if I can do that math. This thing legit could go to $1 billion market cap. Easy. I know I'm being a little bit hyped. A little bit of FOMO, a lot of FOMO.
FOMO
A lot of FOMO going on
arigato,
here.
Mr. Roboto. FOMO.
I'm putting only 5. Yeah. I love it, Jonathan. I like it. I like it a lot. Now, just beware that you could be wrong, I can be wrong. And if you don't consider that $500 lost, like right now, you're setting yourself up for failure. You seem like a smart dude. I think you get it. All right, so 0.1 divided by 0.00, we'll go, 4. That's only 25? That can't be right. 1, 2, 3. Did I do that right? 0.1 times 0.004. I don't know. I feel like that's more than a 25x. I mean, that's 10x, 100x, 1000x. Oh, that's $4. 100x is 40 cents. Oh, it is a 25x. Wow. Thought it would be more than that. So 100,000 if it goes to a penny. That would only be $1,000. Is that right? Yeah. Um. Oh, because it's close to a penny now. That's only a 2x. Well, even if it goes to 1 cent, yeah, that's a 2x, but it's a risky 2x. We need this thing to go to like $1 billion market cap, which is doable. Oh, excuse me. $1 billion market cap would be 10 cents, but it would only be a 25x. So I don't hate it. I'm becoming less hype. I wanted to turn $1,000 into, I wanted to turn $400 into $1 million. That's 400 times 20. That's still like $100,000, isn't it? I mean, maybe I should stop being a little bitch. 400, is that okay? 400 times 25, is that 10,000 or 100,000? It's only 10,000. Still not a bad return. I like the play. I'm easing back on the 8. I was gonna like maybe play around and FOMO into this. I'm gonna ease back for now, but I'm gonna watch it. If it goes lower, like if it drops below 0.000, then I'll probably definitely ape. I just don't know where we are on the market. I don't, I definitely don't hate what you're doing, Jonathan. Again, just consider the money lost. I don't know what kind of transaction fees you're going to be paying and shit, how much the slippage is, how liquid it is. Why we aping? I just told you I'm not aping into this right now, but I'm watching it. But it's very interesting. It looks like a real competitor to Gala Games. It's got a good team, good white paper, good tokenomics. Uh, yeah, it looks good, man. I like it. I mean, it looks like a fairly safe 25x. It looks like a fair, like high risk in the high risk category. I like the odds here, but I mean, I would put a very small percentage. This is like what you would consider a high risk play, and you would do the right portfolio size towards it. Clayton, I'm not interested in Clayton right now. I think it's overvalued and overhyped and overpriced. Um, they might turn into something, but again, Clayton's too risky for me, and they're already too high up in the market cap. Like, how can you say like you're? I'm getting ready to shit on you, Retro. How can you say Cardano's overvalued at $13 billion? Maybe I won't be able to shit on you, but I thought Clayton was much higher. Its TVL is high. 65. It has a market cap of 730 million. And it's just a layer one. Like it's nowhere near as good as Cardano. It just like I don't even know. Let's take a deep dive on this bit. I always shit on Clayton, but I've never really looked at it. Or maybe I have. Clayton, remember this is the one that used, yeah, we looked at this. This used to be like a certain blockchain and then they transitioned to be like gamer and then they're just using buzzwords. Stake to get 3%. Meh. Taking Clayton in it. Yeah, first it was NFTs, then it's metaverse. They're just trying to hack Boston. The metaverse blockchain for all. So this is no different than what Kathion and Gale is trying to do, I think. But it's all metaverse centric. And again, I think the metaverse is going to be freaking huge. Don't get me wrong. This might turn into something. Read our light paper and see our roadmap. Our origin. Here to make a better world through people and technology. Puke. So they're South Korean as an EVM layer 1 blockchain. That means bridges. Is this its own Like, is this? Maybe it is its own. All right. High throughput, immediate finality, approximately 1 second. So it's its own layer one. Oracles. Who's the Oracle? Distributed storage. How? Bridges. That's a huge, big. No, thank you. DAOs. Psh, NFTs. Psh, DEXs. Psh. Who doesn't have that? High throughput and TPS and immediate finality. Other blockchains, including wallet. All right. That was a big nothing. Game guilds, investment. This looks. Mirror 4, no. Exchanges. Clay is listed on crypto.com and Binance. 2 billion TVL. Meh. Clayton is one of 3 chains linked to OpenSea. Wow, I didn't know that. That's kind of cool. Kakai, is that their wallet? Clip? Oh, Clip is a wallet. Oh, these are all wallets. MetaMask. Yeah, I've already got this on my MetaMask. Remix, host a blockchain. Meh. Bora, but CBDC. Meh. Led by the Bank of Korea. So they're gonna have a CBDC through the Bank of Korea. North or south? I don't know that I'm interested in either one, to be honest. This light paper sucks. Let's see, metaverse. More TPS and decent, so that means no security. The trilemma. 1 second. Ethereum compatibility. That means bridges, and you're going to get hacked. Decentralized governance, mass eco funding, a hassle free. I'm immediately not interested in this because of bridges. Like, I'm not getting involved in any coin that is not proven long term that requires bridging your money over. Like, that is the number one vector right now. And more, do you think more bridge hacks aren't going to happen? Why put your money at risk? Did I put Harmony One is dead to me in the title? Because I meant to. Yeah, Harmony One is dead. That usually brings the milkshakes to the yard. 3 viewers, 0 likes. You guys suck. Yeah, it's a huge risk. Yeah, I agree. I personally believe that risk will pay off, but I can be wrong. If I gun to head, I'm sure Google loves it when I say that. YouTube, gun to head, I think you're gonna make money, but I can be wrong. That gun might be shot. Why are we, bro? You can't shit on my thesis. What thesis? What's your thesis? I know you won't STFU about track. I don't hate track. I like track. It's just boring. I don't want to be in any boring, like, again, for the 97th millionth time. My strategy going into the next bull market is to be well positioned with the top safe assets that are going to get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 X's, right? We're talking your Bitcoins, your Ethereums, your Cardanos, your Solanas, full stop. Maybe a little bit of like a little dose here and there of some cadenas, some high risk stuff. But into the next bull market, I'm going to be well positioned with great assets, and I'm going to feel comfortable. That post you posted of that guy was a great post, because could have been my confession. Let's take a look. I held 100,000 ADA. Oh, I meant to open my data list and see how long that shit takes. Let's do that now and see what happens. Probably won't be done by the end of stream. Probably wouldn't have been done by the end of stream if I would have started at the beginning of the stream. I cannot wait for the ADA Lite wallet. This thing takes 16 gigs of memory, and it takes forever because it's a full node wallet. All right. I held 100,000 ADA from point 11 to 3 and didn't sell because I listen to YouTubers. Let's see. I held ADA from 0.15 to 3, and I am an idiot YouTuber. But no, we'll just leave it at that, right? And I'm an idiot YouTuber. Plan, but plan. No, they're gonna think my is still working out. My plan B is still working out because I told you we're gonna ride that bitch to infinity and beyond or zero. I mean, if YouTubers say it, man, blah, congratulations. Yeah, he's still up. He's still up at 4x. I mean, there's people that ape into coins and lose all their money, right? This guy's still up a 4x. What's he crying about? Up like a 3.5x. Yeah, here we go. I paid a lot more than you for my ADA, still holding strong, but I will learn a lesson for you. All right. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna probably start getting more involved with Twitter. Elon Musk is actually doing some surprisingly great things over here. Um, he's gonna initiate. It was going to be $20 a month, but he lowered it down to $8 a month. So I fully plan on getting that Twitter Blue or whatever it's called. I actually like it because it's only like $100 a year. I can write it off. I mean, it's not really much of a write off, but it gives you a verification check mark, which I think is going to do a lot to, negate spammers and scams and all that. So I'm highly applauded. It's going to piss off some of the people that value, like, there might be a couple people that commit suicide because their verification check mark's not going to mean much anymore. It's not going to mean you're like super cool. Anyone with $100 a year can get it, but I think it's pretty cool. I thought he was trolling since he got called out. What do you mean? Next time you have a night stream, can you react to this? Yeah, brother. Let's see what we got. Maybe that's what I'll do. I can start doing some random night streams and just react. Cause I love reacting to shit. Like I'm built to react to shit. Usually I shit on them, but
guess what year this was? And
why
you will
you should
know
never
with certainty why you should never
this should be a
trust
long-ass stream.
Elon Musk.
Someone's going to sit in a Tesla without touching the steering
take a
wheel,
quick
tap
look at
in
this.
New York, off it goes.
Yeah.
Won't have to ever touch the wheel by the end of 2017.
Oof, spoilers. It's currently 2022, and Elon Musk's smart summon barely works for getting a Tesla across a car line.
Come on.
This looks like a freaking hit piece.
So that was a bit embarrassing. It pulled up and then stopped in the middle of the road and blocked traffic. So that was not good whatsoever. Smart Summon is really cool, and it needs lots and lots of improvements so that it understands.
You want to, this right here was an excellent interview on the Lex Friedman podcast. And Andre, I don't know how you say his name.
I think it's possible that physics has exploits and we should be trying to find them. Arranging some
X team, like X. Oh, he was like the main AGI bro at Tesla, like the head dude. And he recently left for, but he still loves Tesla. He said he may go back. Great interview. I definitely highly recommend it. If you don't know who Lex Friedman is, I don't know if you've been living under a rock, but his podcasts are excellent. And he's a really smart person. Like I've watched he has an MIT training video on automated driving, full self driving, and this guy knows his shit, dude, like big time. He could be an engineer at Tesla doing this shit for sure. MIT instructor, and he looks like you could just walk up to him, punch him in the face, and murder him. Nah, he's a black belt in jiu-jitsu, bro. You saw the eight? Yeah, it was, man. We talked about that earlier. I went in like thinking Kanye was crazy to thinking, he's not that bad. Like he's a little misguided. Ricky says he's manic. I'm not really sure what that means. Is that some kind of depression? Manic? He's manic. Mania. Manic behavior. Feeling very happy. Talking, feeling full of energy. Yeah, he's definitely a lot of this. Feeling full of great new ideas. Yeah, he's definitely manic. Are you a psychiatrist, Ricky? Because you nailed them. Is that similar to bipolar? Because bipolar is you're up and then you're down, right? Yeah, his life has definitely been effed up. So you combine super famous, super influential, that f's up a lot of minds right there. You feel like you're more self-important, and that right there I mean, I don't even know how some people that deal with it well do it. And then plus the fact he's been through some shit, and like he's been in a bad car accident or something like that effed him up, or someone in his family got killed. I don't know. He's been through some shit. I remember that. Maybe his mom got killed or something like that. I don't remember. But it was not a good life. I mean, it was not an easy life. 99.89% sync. We would not believe how long the rest of that 0.11 would take. But yeah, I'm gonna be my. I don't think Einstein said that. Don't put P on a pedestal. I want a link to him quoting that. I'm gonna Google that. I'm sure that's paraphrased. Or did you just completely make that? How do you spell pedestal? There's a YouTube. Einstein rode a bike. He had a wife. Is this from a song? Oh, this is from a song. Is that what we got going on? Oh, is this from 40-year-old version? Let's get a copyright strike. Great movie. If you've never seen this, you're an idiot. I bet Retro's never seen this. This is one of the greatest comedy classics of all time. Why is it not working? Well, that's annoying. It's a little bit boomer, maybe. Let's see. Bro, you should watch this movie. It's super funny. It might not be your thing though. You're kind of nerdy into that anime and shit, aren't you? This is a great freaking movie. $7.1. When did this come out? I don't know that it's boomer. 2005? That's not boomer, bro. Boomer has to be like at least 90s minimum. Really 80s. Paul Rudd. I freaking love Paul Rudd. Mindy Kaling. I don't remember her in that. Steve Carell has the when he's like Kelly Clarkson. That was amazing. I love Elizabeth Banks. I love me some Elizabeth Banks. I mean, how could you not? All right. That went way off the rails. I want to see. Here we go. It almost worked. Oh, it's freaking buffering. What a piece of shit website this is. There's nothing in here. Oh, it just says Einstein. There's nothing about pussy on a pedestal, though. Einstein rode a bike. He had a wife who he F, by the way. What? I'm reading the transcript. That was really stupid. All right, let's go ahead and wrap this up. It's 7:30 a.m. I do got a critical outage. Nasdaq, what's it doing? I'm surprised that the market's down so much. We could have a huge rally today. Down 70 on the Nasdaq, down 25 on the E-mini S&P. Let's see what the news says. Why are we down? It's going to say something like market is down ahead of the Fed announcement or some dumb shit like that. Like, it's probably just all bot created at this point. Probably all AI. Aren't all titles mostly AI now? Crypto world suffers from another hack. As exchange Deribit loses 28 million. Who is Deribit and 28 million's nothing. Traders are evenly split on size of December rate hike. Gold price climbs $6. Stock slip ahead of Fed interest rate decision. Yep, that's exactly what I said. I'm not sure when that announcement comes. I think like 2.5, 3.5 hours from now. Crypto is probably not doing shit. It's probably, we didn't look at hardly the prices of anything, but I don't really think. I really enjoyed today. You guys need to bring more alpha like this in the future. That was a good find today on Capion. What was the other one we looked at? What was that one? Oh, we didn't really look at it, but I want to look. You got to remind me to look into this one deeper. I'm kind of out of time today. I'm going to get this up here so maybe we can come across this tomorrow. Be here early tomorrow, Retro, and we can go over this. Casp is the fastest open source. Layer 1 in the world, the world's first block DAG, blah, blah. You said proof of, oh, it is, you did say POW. Single second, built by the industry pioneers, led by the people. All right, now I got to see about team. Let's take a quick look at the team. This guy looks like Seth Rogen. This guy looks like he's cultivating his weed farm in Oregon. This guy looks like he's his cousin cultivating his weed farm in Oregon. This guy looks like a child rapist. This guy looks like a serial murderer. Like this team. I mean, I'm kind of joking around here, but how can I be? Oh, this is just core. It's not a very big core team. They do have LinkedIn's and Twitters that we can deep dive into. Shai is a COSPA researcher and one of the authors of the Ghost Ag paper. He's a PhD candidate in the Hebrew University, where he researches classical and quantum cryptography. This bro, Michael, got his MSc in computer science from, oh, are these guys all from like Israel or something? I'm not being anti-Semitic. There's definitely some where he researched parallel and distributed systems. This guy doesn't really look Jewish. He's got more of like a Polish name, doesn't he? This guy looks Jewish. Core developer. This guy looks kind of Jewish. This guy, not sure. This guy, I don't think so. But there's some smart science that comes, like, I don't even know that they're from Israel, but there's some smart shit that's come out of Israel. One of the first, they got some smart bros over there. So I was ready to shit on them. But I don't know. We can keep this on the radar. I'm not really seeing anything here that blows my news away or blows my hair back. Not that there's much to blow. Who's this bro? The founder? Oh, excuse me. Do Jewish people don't have? Are these like from Poland? They're Jewish Polish. Isn't Insky like Russian or Polish or like I don't know. Crypto addict, postdoc at Harvard. Got a beautiful family. Looks like they're living somewhere in Europe. He's in crypto land. Where did that go? Do I have to do? Oh, it didn't open in a new tab. Let's look at this guy real quick. Oh, they got Facebook links and everything. These guys are fully docked. Let's see. Taking Casper to the next level. I'm doing way more here than I planned on. Caspa. I don't. Let's see if they're on Masari. They are not. They are. Hell yeah. Metrics. 13 billion? Yeah. There's not much info on them. News. Looks like Masari's having a problem. All right. I do want to take a deeper dive in this tomorrow. We've already kind of looked at. Let's see, Bitcoin 20,400 hasn't done much. Ethereum nothing. Solana down a little. Harmony One holding around that. Aptos holding hasn't really done shit. Actually, it looks like it's down. Oh, is that on a weekly or something? No, it's on the daily. Looks like Caspa had a little pump yesterday, and now it's down, back down to like its IPO price. What does this dinosaur mean? Oh, the very beginning. That's pretty cool. Phantom near continues to bleed. AVAX. Osmosis, I mean $1.50. It's gone up. I mean looks like it's going into a bull run chart. Speaking of chart, I did want to look at the SPY chart because I think it's broken. It started to break out a little. I mean, it definitely broke out, but I think it got above. No, I'm not sure. I think we need to go to the weekly. There's going to be like, oh yeah, see it's broken out of this downtrend, which is very interesting. This could be the start of the bottom. See how we did have this downtrend that goes all the way back to August? We have a bigger downtrend. So this is the important one, I would think. We need to get up to this one and break across this one. But this is a good start. It's still a lower low though. So I wouldn't get out your party hats yet. Your party hats and whatever those little party horns. Yeah, they did just launch. Tom is going, yay. Haven't Donde? What does that even mean? I've been told there's no Wells or VCs here. Haven't Donde. What does that even mean? Haven't done due diligence. My God, bro. Haven't Donde due diligence? You got your own language going over there, bro. All right, everyone. I will be back at 6:30 a.m. PST. We'll do a little bit more deep dive into Clayton. I enjoyed today. Bring some more coins. That's what I want. I want to find the one or two coins that I might ape a little bit of sprinkles into. Donde esta? Donde, where is the Biblioteca. Where is the Bible? I don't know what biblioteca is. Where is the where is the... All right. Oh, where's the library? I thought library was something else. It does seem kind of familiar. Library. Library. Is there another word for library? Because I feel like I used to do Duolingo for a while. And I feel like library is one of those words maybe it... What the hell? Oh, I need to go like that. Biblioteca. I kind of remember that. What does the library have to do with anything, though? ¿Dónde está su huevos? Of course, I have to make it sophomoric. Oh, I needed that. I put a nice smile on my face going into what's going to be a long day. All right, everyone. I'll be back tomorrow, 6:30 a.m. PST. Be there, or you're an F Square. I love you all. And